Hello, I'm Brian E. Porter, AMA trainer in project management, as well as an author and efficiency expert. Most organizations will admit that they have limited resources available. This includes people. This means that resource planning is an absolute essential requirement for your project. In multi-project management, this also means that we might have the challenge of not having the resource that we want when we want it, or not getting the exact individual that we're looking for. So you must communicate your entire resource planning needs through a resource management plan. Many charts and tools are available for us to demonstrate these types of needs. But whatever you use, make sure to include the following in your resource management plan. Make sure to identify and quantify the types of resources that are required. This could be people, machines, equipment, tools, facilities. How are we going to acquire these resources? How much will it cost? What types of expertise are required specifically for the resources we have identified? Roles and responsibilities is another key area. Who will be accountable for what deliverables on the project? For large organizations or larger projects, we may wish to have an organizational chart. Similar to a company org chart, we would have one for our project team. We should document how we will hire, manage, and staff overall the team that will be included, but then how will we release them? Identify this up front. Team development needs should be clarified. This would be things such as training, skills, tools that individuals may need on the project, but are also going to need after the project. Physical resource needs should have a plan identifying tools, equipment, and materials that will be brought in, but who has control over them? Not everybody has authority over every machine or resource that we bring into the project. How are we going to reward team members? Will we recognize them from the beginning or at the end? So when, who, and how will we provide rewards and recognitions? Be careful to document and explain all of the resources that are needed on your project. If we do this from the beginning, then we're able to make sure that we have equipped ourselves to have the resources at the right time, at the right cost.